Hello everyone. Today I am explaining simplification based on BODMAS. So many times I observed that many students have doubt how to simplify the numbers in which different type of fractions together along with the brackets along with the different operations. So here I am going to explain first of all the meaning of the BODMAS. Simplifications, that is the question based on BODMAS in which you should know about the full form of BODMAS, where B represents with bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So B stands for bracket, O stands of D division, M for multiplication, A addition and at last S as subtraction. So all of you please remember this BODMAS rule. And then too, so many times you were observing that many different type of brackets also. So there are some important condition while you are going to solve according to BODMAS. First of all, you have to solve the bar one first. That means this is the sign for bar. This is the first step to simplify bar. Then the second step, common bracket, we are going to represent with this way. Third step is curly bracket and then square bracket. That means from inner part to outer part. The first step is bar, second common bracket, open third one curly bracket and at last square bracket. And these are the symbols how to represent the common bracket, bar, curly bracket and square bracket. So here I am explaining one question and this is the second question of exercise 2F. The question is, expression this is equal to what? That means after solving this one, after simplify this one, what will be the value? So here according to the BODMAS, we have common bracket and only curly bracket. There is no bar, so we are not supposed to start with bar because there is no bar. So the first step for this question will be solving the common bracket and then curly bracket. Okay, as per the requirement of the question you have to go through. Now here 1, 2, 3. Out of the 4 numbers, 3 numbers are with mixed fraction. So please convert into improper fraction. So the second step is 1 by 2 plus, use curly bracket. This one 4 4s are 16 and 3. 19 by 4 minus in common bracket. Again solve it. 6 3s are 18 plus 1. 19 by 6 minus 7 by 3. Common bracket and then curly bracket. Then the third step is 1 by 2 again copy down as it is plus curly bracket as it is 19 by 4, because for this question we are going to simplify first of all the common bracket. So first here as we are having two different number in the common bracket, take LCM and solve it. So minus in bracket only we are going to take LCM, it is 6. This will be 19 as it is, 3 2s are 6 and 2 7s are 14. Now common bracket and then curly bracket also you have to use it. Similarly 1 by 2 as it is plus curly bracket as it is, 19 by 4 minus, simplify this two and when you subtract it you will get some number. That time don't use common bracket because you already showing that it is simplified. Now 19 minus 14 is 5 by 6. Only curly bracket you have to use. Similarly 1 by 2 plus, now only two numbers are here, we have to make 1 after taking LCM. So the LCM of 4 and 6, it will be 12. So 19 3s are 57 because 4 3s are 12 and 3 into 19 will be 57 minus 6 2s are 12 and 2 5s are 10. Curly bracket. After that 1 by 2 plus, when you subtract 10 from 57 it is 47 by 12. 12 is the denominator. After taking LCM of this number, I am solving this side. Okay. So 2 and 12. The LCM of 2 and 12 is 12. So here, when you divide 12 by this 2, it is 6. So 6 ones are 6 plus 47 as it is. So it is 53 by 12. And when you divide 53 by 12, 12 4s are 48. 49 50 and then 5 by 12. This is the answer in the mixed fraction. So in this way, by using BODMAS, by using all these different brackets, you have to simplify in this manner. Hope it is clear to all of you. Similarly, question number 3 of exercise 2F, in which the question is the value of all these expression, all these term is equal to what? That means we have to find out after simplification what will be the value after solving all these numbers with a different operation. Now see, in this question we have bar, we have common bracket, we have curly bracket as well as square bracket with a different operation. Here division sign, then minus, then inside the bracket 2 minus sign, and here off. Off means multiplication. So in this question all this brackets as well as different sign we have, basic operations we have. So I will explain how to solve this one. So as I told you, start with the common this bar, then common bracket, then curly, and at last a square bracket. Before that many numbers are in the mixed fraction, so let me convert it, and unless until you are not solving the bracket part, you copy down as it is the remaining one. So here start with the same manner. In the first step you are not supposed to change any sign, okay? So here it is 4 3 is 12 plus 1, 13 by 4 divided by, as it is you have to copy down, simple, change the number in the improper fraction. So 4 ones are 4 plus 1, it is 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 as it is 5 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, this one common bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket, and before that it is bar, divided by 1 by 2 into, instead of off, into, it is 13 by 3. Clear? Now see, we have to solve this one. First the bar, rest all we copy down as it is. So again it is 13 by 4 divided by curly bracket 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 common bracket 5 by 2 as it is, minus we have to take LCM of 4 and 6. So the LCM of 4 and 6 will be 12. Here 4 3s are 12 and 6 2s are 12, this one, and you are using bar. Again common bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket, divided by, here we are going to simple multiply these two numbers. Okay, now next step is again with the square bracket 13 by 4 divided by curly bracket 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 common bracket 5 by 2 as it is. When you subtract, because we are going to simplify first of all bar, so 3 minus 2 is 1 by 12. Now it is simplified, then no need to use any bar now, okay? Then use only common bracket, copy down curly and square bracket as it is, divided by 13 by 6. The next step is again copy down as it is 13 by 4 divided by curly bracket 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now simplify this one. We have two different numbers here. Take LCM and make 1. So 2 and 12. The LCM is 12. 2 6 are 12. 6 5 are 30. So this is 30 and this is 1. Now curly bracket, square bracket, divided by 13 by 6. Similarly, once again 13 by 4 divided by, copy down 5 by 4 as it is, minus, now I am going to solve common bracket. So subtraction 1 from 30, it is 29. So 1 by 2 into 29 by 12. This is the subtraction of this number 29 by 12, and then curly bracket, square bracket. Now after simplify, don't use the common bracket, okay? That's why we removed it, okay? Then divided by, it is 13 by 6. Then next step is 13 by 4 as it is, divided by curly bracket 5 by 4 minus 29 by 24. Now see, earlier यहाँ पे जब आप बार यूज कर रहे थे तो आपके पास दो नंबर थे, आपने उसमें एक में कन्वर्ट करके बार रिमूव किया, then common, then simplify common bracket, then only curly bracket remain. Now we are going to simplify curly bracket. Okay, in curly bracket again two numbers are there. So take LCM and simplify further. It is 13 by 4 divided by 4 and 24. LCM is 24. So 4 6 and 6 5 are 30 minus 29 as it is, curly bracket, square bracket, divided by 13 by 6. Then again 13 by 4 divided by, when you subtract 29 from 30, it is 1 by 24. Again don't use curly bracket because you are going to simplify and you simplified as 1. Then again copy down as it is. Now see, in the square bracket two terms are there. Should we write like this? 13 by 4. Instead of division, multiplication. 24 by 1. You know very well, when two fractions are there with the division sign, copy down this fraction as it is, change this sign into multiplication and write the reciprocal of this number. That means invert form. 24 at the numerator and 1 at the denominator. It is in the bracket. Sign division 13 by 6 as it is. We can cancel these two. 4 6 are 24. Now 13 6 are 78. So 78 upon 1. It is in the square bracket and it is not compulsory to write it here. Leave it, no problem, okay? Because only number is there. After that we have to write 78 upon 1 into 6 by 13. So 13 ones are 13 and 13 6 are 78. So 6 into 6 will be 36. This will be answer. So the basic step is that we have to start with solving with the bar, then common bracket, then curly bracket, and at last square bracket. So your result will be 36. Okay. Thank you, girls.